Hello, my name is Jonas and welcome back. Let's continue in making our dashing game. So let's go to objects, create object. Let's rename this to obj enemy. Let's choose our sprite enemy. Let's add event, create and execute code. So we want the enemies to have a speed but also a random speed, so nobody has the same speed. Well, they might have, but little bit random speed. So let's add spd equal random range. So let's have 2, 4, so a random range between 2 and 4. Now let's add event, step event, execute code, and let's check if instance, which means object also, so if instance exists object player. So we are checking if the player exists, and if player exists we will move towards point, and the point will be the object player X position and object player Y position, and the speed will be the SPD we had in the create event. Okay, let's have an else statement here. So if object player doesn't exist, we don't move anywhere, so the speed will be 0. Okay, let's go to room play. Let's add some enemies. And let's compile it and test if it is working. Yes, they do follow us. But now we need to add some collision. So let's go to object player, add event, collision with object enemy, control and code. So let's add here if dash is false. So if we aren't dashing and we collide with the enemy, we will die, which will be in this case room restart. So the game will restart. Okay, now we have to have the collision inside of object enemy, so let's also add event collision with object player and control execute code. And here we again check if instance exists object player. Okay, and let's see if instance exists object player and if object player dash equals true. So if object player dash is true and we collide with the player, the enemy dies. So instance destroy. Okay, let's try it out again. Okay, let's dash, yeah, but we aren't dying. There's some bug here now. Let's see. Object enemy, object player. Well, it should work. I don't know why it's not working. Let's see. If object player dash equals true, instance destroy. Yes. Object player. Let's go. If dash is false, room restart. Let's have game restart. Okay. Yes. Now the game restarts if we die. Good. Now let's add the enemy spawner, so create a new object. Let's name this obj creator. No, let's rename it spawn. No, let's name it creator. Okay, let's go add event. Let's add create event, control, execute code. Let's have here create equals false. And let's add a step event. If create, let's have exclamation mark create. So if create is false, instance create. Let's choose the left, or let's choose between left side of the room and right side with the X position, so 0 and room width. And let's have Y position, which will be a random range between 0 and room height. And then let's add the object enemy. Now we need to have an alarm, and inside of the brackets we'll have 0 alarm 0 equal, let's have 90, and we need to have the create equal true. Now let's go to alarm 0, let's add create is false. This means in the step event, if we aren't creating, we will create an object enemy. We have an alarm, and create is true, which means we can create more enemies until the alarm is 0 again, and create will be false, and it will like loop again the thing, so it will make more enemies. Let's go to room play. Let's delete these, press Alt and D. Let's go to objects and add our object creator. Now let's see. Okay, first enemy, second dash, yeah, nice. Now we have an endless dashing game. Okay, thank you for watching, and in the next episode we are going to make the score system. Bye.